In today's video we will show you Tavira, a small city on Portugal's Algarve coast. Tavira is arguably the Algarve's most charming town.
A very small church, right?
Okay, very beautiful.
Come along with us to discover this beautiful town as we explore the ruins of a hilltop castle, an old Roman bridge and much more.
The Tavira castle and walls were built in the 1200s and then they kind of left it a bit behind, but in 1938 the council decided to recover it and they did some work to restore it, and now everyone can visit it.
And it's very beautiful. Wow, it's super well maintained, isn't it?
Look at all these flowers. They're beautiful. Look, of multiple colors.
Yeah. There are two sides. Oh. Let's see, come to this side. We have a view of the city.
Nice.
Look at this.
Wow.
To make these videos we put a lot of time and effort. So if you find it enjoyable, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel, because we have so much more to show you.
What are you looking at?
Hey, look what I found. 3 people I know.
Are they protecting the castle?
Yeah, they're protecting it. It's a really nice view here. Shall we go down? Down there. Be careful with this floor, I almost fell a couple of times.
Yeah, me too. Oh, this is one of the nicest gardens that I've seen.
You need to see. Yeah, it's very well kept. And the music is nice.
Yeah.
Got some live music here.
It's super nice. Should we go up? And we are up. Ah, there's a swimming pool.
Yeah, so, but it's not.
Hey mama, do you like it?
Like it.
I think it's very nice to come here and just relax.
Looks very steep.
It's very steep.
Do you want to go anyway?
Yeah, of course.
And be careful, yeah? There are big steps.
Yeah. If you didn't watch this episode, just go on the first episode of the Thailand series. You can find the link in the description box below. Wow. Yeah. So that's the clock. Yeah, stay hydrated all the time.
Always.
What is it?
I think this is a private room.
Ah, VIP room. So you can see the beautiful garden. Oh, did you notice that, like, this is a circle? This one is like an X. It's another circle. Ah, yeah. Yeah, try. Yeah, seems like a PlayStation buttons, right? No, because I noticed. Oh, there's my mom there. Ciao. Yeah, from the top you can notice better, like the shapes. The visit at the castle was really worth it. So if you come here, you should come. Do you know the name of the castle?
Castle of Tavira.
Castle of Tavira. But anyway, we will put the link in the description box below. Looking good. Ah, this is the entrance of the church. Church is very big.
So today marks my vegan anniversary. So 5 years ago today, I turned vegan on the 1st of September of 2017.
And today is the 1st of September 2022, of course.
So I think to celebrate, I should eat 5 cakes. What do you think?
No, because yesterday already you had
I
a
had
massive
only a
cake.
small slice.
Small.
It was a small slice.
It was a huge one.
But
It was like,
shared.
hold this 1 second. It was like this.
Come on, come on.
And don't look at my hands. Look at my arms. Like an amphitheater, right?
A natural one.
Yeah, nice.
No need for benches.
That's nice. But they're gone for the entire month, seems like. Is this the main river?
Yes.
Do you know the name of this river?
Gilão. Gilão. Like my
Gilão.
brother. Yes.
Ah, Gilão.
My brother is Gil. I call him Gilão.
It's quite big. We're going to cross the bridge now. Oh, it's super nice here. What happened to that? What happened? Oh no, she got you wasted one ice cream.
Delicious.
It was delicious, yeah.
Ma come sei rimasto?
The rest of the ice cream.
Come sei rimasto? Oh, Gianni.
This is the market of Tavira. It is 134 years old. Wow. It's in a really good state, but at the moment they're only selling a tiny bit of things.
These little streets are super nice. They're like full of flowers everywhere. The smell is so nice. And also on this road, preparing already for the evening, because they have like lots of restaurants and bars ready to open. And some restaurants on the street. It's really nice here.
Beautiful church.
Yeah. There's a nice church over there. There's a nice building. So are we ready to go now?
Yes, ready to rumble.
After a nice espresso, let's go. Oh, I feel so energetic now. Let's go.
Left, right.
Left, right,
Where do we go?
straight, right, face. Look at this.
Faccio la foto per Fernando.
Vai. There are lots of ceramics around here. Oh, there are many beer shops around here. Also, cocktails. Gelateria. So, do you want to explain what happened?
Yeah, I'm a bit upset because basically we went to this ice cream shop here in Tavira that my mom said is really good ice cream. but I just wanted one scoop, you know, to try and be healthy and not eat much. The only vegan options were fruit flavors, so I said, I would like a scoop. Can I please try tangerine and passion fruit to see which one I like the most? And they said, no, you're not allowed to try. So I said, okay, then bye.
So,
and I left.
yeah, the real reason why this happened is because they know that Monica once she tries one scoop, then she wants to try all the flavors, and then she said, okay, I'm full now. Oh, by the way, this
We're
is
at a different...
it's a different bridge, right? It's way bigger, this bridge.
No, don't fall.